Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a purple smoky eye, so let's get right into it. I'm just chilling here with like foundation on my lips. That's gotta be terrible. Like, give me 1 second. My lips are so chapped at this point, it's not even funny. I need to drink water. Alright, now that I got that taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on the edges of my eyes. Then we can get a sharp look with this one because whenever I don't use tape, it gets messy. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten these nails. It makes it so hard to perform just like normal human functions. But then again, claws. Okay, so tape's on. My eyes are sort of primed, but like, it's just from the concealer I use for my under eyes, so they're not really primed. Learned that I don't like priming my eyes when it comes to doing smoky eyes because it just gets really weird up here in the crease and it gets real streaky and it's not fun. All right, so I'm gonna use this like flatter, like I think it's by Crown. Yeah, Crown brush right here, just an eyeshadow brush. It's thinner right there so I can apply it like that along the tape. I'm going to go in with this deep metallic purple right there, and I'm gonna brush that along the outer rim, I guess, of the tape. Not outer rim, but like inner rim. You know what I mean, right? Like that, that's what I mean. Oh no, it fell. Ah! The frame is probably completely different now, but you know what, I'm just gonna have to work with it. Please don't fall, I don't want my phone to fall. So I'm just brushing that along. I'm gonna brush that into the crease. That looks sort of okay. I think over the course of quarantine, I've grown to hate my eyelids because I've done my eyeshadow so many times and now I know that it like dips right there and I never noticed that before and now I'm bugged by it, like extremely bugged by it. And it's not so much like, ooh, my eyelids look weird. It's like, no, it's annoying to try and like apply symmetrical makeup. That's what makes it annoying. All right, I'm gonna try and do that over here. Again, just going along that rim. These pieces of tape are not lined up. You know what? I'm just gonna have to deal with it. That or I'm just being crazy and they are lined up, but I really don't think they are. I feel like that needs to be moved up more. I'm just leaving it. I'm not messing with it. Again, we're just brushing that into our crease again. All right, next color, I need to move on. I'm gonna go in with this lighter purple right here. And you can see in the mirror, my ring light is not on, so I'm just using my window because it's actually daytime right now when I'm filming. And I'm just gonna, oh wow, that's not going on very well, is it? I'm just trying to brush that along where it should meet the metallic purple. Having a swivel chair is the best for these videos because I can just like boop, boop. I don't have to like get up and adjust a chair. It's great. I'm just gonna try and blend that into my crease a bit more, I think. Yeah, I want to do that, maybe. Now I'm gonna go in with a Morphe. I think this is 350M. It is 350M. I'm actually right. Ha ha ha. Does it have a mirror? It does. Love it. Oh wait, I actually figured out I had a mirror compact the other day that actually zooms in. Whatever word you want to use, I'm gonna use that because it works much better. I can actually see what I'm doing with this. It's magnificent and I can actually do it on camera. I should have been using this like forever. I've had it forever, so oh well. I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade right here and then I'm just going to start applying that onto the middle of my lid, honestly. Oh, it's actually not that bad. I don't hate it, okay. Blend that into the purple a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing over on this side. This one's not working out as well. Oh, there we go. There we go. Maybe I should have done a cut crease on this one. It might have worked better. Oh well, nothing I can do now. I'm gonna go in with this cream shade right here. I think it's just one shade darker than the white that's right next to it. So we're just gonna use that one. Just gonna apply that on the inner corner. Just kind of brighten it up a bit. Okay. Don't hate it. I'm just gonna go back in with the same brush I used for purple and just blend it, I guess. Blend it in a bit more so it actually, you know, smokes out. I really need like a lavender shade in there, but you know what? I don't think I have one, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. I am not going to do like my waterline with this look because I just don't want to. And now I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera. I don't know if I'm gonna do liquid liner or powder liner, because the annoying thing with powder liner is it usually gets in my lashes and then it falls onto my eye, and it's not a look. So I can't even find my liquid liner or felt tip liner, whatever. So powder it is. I feel like I'm obligated to go in with some glitter on the inner corner. It needs it. Not like it needs it, but it would look better with it. All right, I'm gonna go in with mascara and just okie dokie. That is it for the purple smoky eye look. So I don't hate it. It's actually much lighter than the other stuff I do, so it's actually kind of nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more videos by me, because YouTube usually doesn't do that for you. So I hope you have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.